Welcome back to my channel. Anyway, I just want to go ahead and thank every single person that is taking the time to like and share. Right now, I have like a quick message, right? Let's walk because there's a Chinese guy behind me. So, this is the thing. Ladies, ladies. I feel like some of y'all might need a quick hygiene lesson checkup, right? This is my thing. When you decide to start dating, you also need to learn how to be clean. And what I mean is, you need to learn propreté. Hein? L'enfant propre. Quand on dira qui vous foutez maintenant, si mignon, si gentil, si propre qui voilà, qui la mère répond non. Mais c'est à moi. Some of y'all probably are single. Some of y'all probably only get due to have sex with y'all once. Some of y'all don't even know the first thing about being clean. The first thing about being clean starts in self. Na yo moro na kati no moro avant no point mi sapi na gauche à droite. Ya ba petit ba sukolate. Mama, yo sukolaka. Yo bine ba kenda ka ba sukolo zu mama yo sukolo zu savon po continue na sima peka na kingo na sima toi na kati matoi na se oniki. Look. Some of you need to learn how to clean yourself, right? From your teeth, your tooth, your monoko, the bush, your mouth, your outside. Before you start spending 30-40 minutes on makeup. Y'all good when it comes to makeup, right? Y'all good. But when it comes to hygiene, you suck at it. So you need to learn how to be clean. Learn, because one of my friends told me a story, and until now, and then my sister told me another story, and I'm just like, ooh, this is disgusting. My biggest pet peeve is when a woman is on her period. When you're in your period, you have pads in your tampon. Yo, not the entire world does not need to know that you're on your fucking period. We don't need it. You need to start now. Like you seriously need to start now. Don't wait until you get married or you get engaged. You need to start now. You need to start when you're single. You need to keep some of your dirtiness to yourself. You never know when someone's gonna come visit you. Some people surprise you. You need to learn how to keep your bathroom clean, your bedroom clean, your underwear is clean. Underwear have expiration dates. After a certain time, you need to throw it away. When you're in your period, some tampon come with the plastic that you take. When you put it, after you take it out, you flush it. But when you put it in, that plastic or the cardboard part, put it back into the envelope and trash it. That way we don't have to come in and see the tampon looking at us like, ah. And then the pads. Some pads have, when you take the pad, when you take it out, if you're at home, the same little pad you use, the wrap, the white that's outside, the outside layer. If I was at home, I could show you, but I'm not at home. So the outside layer, you take it, you put it back, you wrap it, you trash it. Instead of, you take it out, you just leave it like that. Panty liner, pads, tampon. Those are disgusting. Mutu moko tana poso ya ndako na bino mona ngozo tala bango ti bango. Bonjour, comment ça va? You tiki encore bongo. Buzoba. So be clean, learn how to be clean, learn your proper hygiene, learn it for yourself because everybody else will make fun of you if you don't know how to get it right. Thank you.